One more time. Is it on his face?
A little bit.
I'm gonna take her home and show it to big sister.
Good for hiccup.
He likes it.
Hey, handsome.